Alright, on today's episode of the Red Green Show, I'm going to show you how to install a portable air conditioner. The first thing you need to do is find yourself a piece of cardboard. Now's a good time to cut out the extra edges. Don't forget the handyman's secret weapon, duct tape. Install the backing plate, just a little tape will do. Cut out and poke out your hole. Now, I know it might not look pretty, but just a little bit more tape will do. That's why you gotta find yourself a wife with really low standards. Because she'll always be happy, and she'll love you for it. Don't be scared to make a peek hole to see how far you've opened your window. With your window open, the last thing you need to do is turn on your air conditioner. Now remember, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy.